Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Instagram story comments. So let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head to the App Store if you're on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Check if there's an update available and tap Update to get the latest features. Once updated, open Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. In your settings, scroll down and find the Comments section. Once you find it, click on it. In the Comments settings, you'll see the new Story section if the feature is available for you. Here, you can choose who can comment. Select the option that says your followers. If you don't see the Story option, it might not be available in your region yet. Just keep your app updated regularly, and it should appear when it's released for your area. That's it. Now you can enable comments on your Instagram stories and enjoy more interactions with your followers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe